is a recording on how we can run the ONNX model in Raspberry Pi. So you will be watching my screen in which I have my own Windows, and on top of it we have a virtual machine that has installed that Raspberry Pi ISO. So you can see we are having the whole OS installed and we are able to run it. Now, what we want is this is the GitHub repository in which I have uploaded my model. How can we run it using? These are the files that we can run it with, and based on that, today we are going to showcase that how we can run so far. So moving ahead, so to first of all, what we are going to do, we are going to clone that particular GitHub hole in this directory. Yes. So now it is done. We can go to the folder. See, we have mixed with the Java files, the model is there, and we also have a Python file. But for the Python file, we need to have these requirements to run the ONNX model. We have requirements. So here you can see we need to have ONNX runtime. But what we are facing right now is when we try to install the ONNX runtime using pip, we are not able to find the directory. And I was facing this issue for quite a while. And what I have tried as well is to run and build all the components again. But still, I was getting so many errors. So instead of using Python to do such thing, what we can do is we also have the alternative for it. We can use Node.js for that. So this will only work when our last end goal is to have the inference run on the flow. It is not it won't be used for the training or etc. purposes, just for running the model. We can use this. So I will show you. Let's close this. Yeah. So you can see we are not finding the active one. I will just clear this. Now, so we have the package.json has here as well. So npm install. Okay, yeah, I need to be in this directory. Mm, okay, cd onnx model. Yes. Now npm install. Okay. So once we got this git, now what we can do, install the node modules, and now we want to try. So we are going to use node and index.js. So on a high level, what this index file.js file is, we are going to use this model.onx that we have built using machine learning model that same thing, the model that we have built. And after that, we are going to utilize this. So the first one is fresh apple and second one images.jpg is nothing but the banana with disease, anthros or something. So you can see when I run this file, we are getting the output of prediction as well as the confidence score. And to be more feasible, like what are the top five, I am also going to print a JSON that displays what is the class, what is the confidence, and you can see what are the things here. Okay. Now, so to be more linear, like how we want to have multiple images, right? So what we can do, node index1.js And here we are going to add apple.jpg. So in this file, we are also accepting parameters that will show the image. So when I will click on it, so here you can see index is there and we are getting the classification of apple fresh with a confidence of 100 score. And to be more functional in the next things or processes, the index2 file is for we can also pass the model. So in our case, it is the model.onnx. Yes, so we have passed that and we are also going to pass the apple.jpg. So here you can see we are getting the classification. We are also getting the apple fresh and we can also check for the second image as well. I'll just quickly show you. Mm, Image. We need to add space, otherwise it won't work. Yeah, so you can see the images one is the banana with disease, that is antheros, and we are getting the confidence score as well. So with this, using Node, we are able to get the ONNX runtime feature, and that would be working on any type of Raspberry Pi. So that makes a point here that we can also run the exported format of ONNX runtime using Node. Thank you.